Mr. Samunding Taki.
Good morning.
Tuinarere na musay. Kita mana chikana na mataka ni kuwa mo na masar chukuma kina barote ko butengo na ouch Palagi Show the baka na chukuma Zeera bites quality product of Punjas Biscuits and anona beito koniti ko ni sabola ke ni daba na yam bakengo o Zeera bites ese kambi tokanga sibo
Nang merusote.
Iyo nango se kaniruno dul tin kabitu. Nama kana keni talano.
Na Ouch Palagi and VTFM, Zeera bites, quality product from Punjas Biscuits.
A very good morning to you all, listeners out there, Fiji-wide and abroad.
Right.
So kita bagi in total nonton kono baru tak ya na nonton Ouch Palagi Show.
Right.
And singa tu city bina kanikwa. Good morning to all the bus drivers, minivan drivers, taxi drivers, all the passengers, wherever you're tuning in from. Thank you so much for choosing Ouch Palagi Show.
Wherever you are, I am.
Right. Good morning to all those gang from the villages, you know.
Right.
This morning they must be preparing breakfast.
Right.
From where you are tuning in.
Right.
Also from those gang overseas, yeah?
We change the breakfast. It's like breakfast to break slow.
Break slow.
That means you don't eat in the morning and you eat in the lunchtime.
Yeah.
So it's break slow.
Break slow, eh?
Right.
We say good morning to Bera Chare and brother Vinavalu Sarvito Kadia Mataka Bakam Silikwa.
Right.
And
Atu and a very good morning to those of you tuning in the live stream back in the islands in Tonga is aloha to people in Hawaii and talofa lafa to those tuning in from Samoa and those in Tonga abika bula benaka to you and Fayexia to those tuning in Rotuma.
Untuk kairo chiko na maramani ro na matimtungo. O Tonga batake Samoa.
Why?
Ato mai Samoa. Ato ni orto na koneleo.
Right.
Do malumbio na matando.
If you want to marry someone in Samoa, the girl in Samoa. If you want to marry someone in Samoa, you have to be strong. You have to be strong men. You do,
Why you should be strong?
You have to do. You will do everything. Everything you will do.
Say Italia.
Catch do. You can do.
Then what will they do?
No, they will relax. They will relax. They will relax. Your job, it's like in the tradition. You have to do that. Everything you do. Everything.
They also like to eat.
They will only eat.
Favorite hobby.
Korang kau juga orto na ngoneli Samoa. Do malumbio na matando tu. Iya. Orto na ngoneli Tonga. Orto do kachara.
Hey, when we
many.
Right. You go to some one occasion. The Tongan occasion. You will see when they dance. They oil their body. The whole body is oil.
Why?
No, that's the tradition. And you went to Fakawela. You just take the note. And you
stick it.
Just stick it.
Right. $1 coins, $1 coin.
No, the $1 coin can't.
Too heavy.
Otherwise, the $1 coin gonna roll.
I know, Mika. You know plenty thing about the Tongan, eh?
Yeah, the Tongan. You guys from Laos? You're partly Tongan.
No, you too from Laos.
Okay, go ahead, tell me ni Sherek ni Bully.
Right.
Okay, Master, what's his name?
Master Mai.
Master Mike.
Master Mike.
What Chirewa?
Yeah.
Sagir tu Sherek man ngone vito na ngoneleo.
Wah.
Ortole para ngoneleo.
Right. Yeah.
Atong kay Sireki nanurto kornibas.
All right.
Sakita berkita lomika.
This when they came to the village for like this one. Long weekend.
Long weekend.
8 weeks, eh? When they arrived in the village and this teacher, his daughters, like there are 4 or 5 daughters. Beautiful daughters, and most of them are in the university level.
Right.
And the eldest, she's just finished university and about to graduate the following year.
Right.
And they came to their Kornivasu, the village of their mom. What?
Spend the holidays.
Yeah, spend the holiday there.
Yeah.
And then the people in the village, the boys they are looking forward to meet them because a long time. Because they were teaching in Vanulevu.
Right.
A long time, then they will come back. Hey, they see the girls coming, Mary and and Fipe and all, they're coming. Hey, come on, right?
New one.
New one.
Yeah.
And they always are afraid to, because one fella in there in the village, his name is Stone. All the girls come in the village.
Yeah.
No one can take it.
Oi.
Only Stone. If anyone grab and run that one, you will see Stone. And the carrier arrive. Carrier arrive and they unloading their stuff. From Bonolebu. All the tamale. Nearly all the stuff they brought in the carrier.
I carry that.
Oh, I carry this. All the boys come. I carry that. I carry this. I carry that. Hey, auntie. Nee, sa on chico. Momo. Hey, fala na bulu to all the girls there. And those in these young ladies, they are not familiar with the Rewan dialect. They speak in Bonolebu too much. They carry the bags. Oh, very big boys. Very strong boys. Yeah.
Boiling boys.
Yeah. And then after that, in the afternoon, they have the shum in the hall.
Right.
And this young Mary, the eldest, she's also drinking grog.
Yeah, the most beautiful one.
The most beautiful one. And she's very pretty.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And they're drinking grog like this.
Yeah.
Stone in the tunnel, Bamet.
Yeah.
Stone is Bamet.
Right.
Everyone, the boys there, Tuki, Losse at the back, and they were watching. Introduce. Oh, that's car. I'm in a foam car. Yeah. And then comes to Mary.
Yeah.
Only Mary is the one that's in the university level.
Right.
About to graduate. What? Main target. All those, the rest are in Form 6. Secondary school, year 13, year 11. Okay, and Stone target Mary now. And all the boys too can do the target. Because Stone there.
Right.
Yeah. They drinking grog and Stone was talking to this to this Mary Vaseva. Mary Vaseva. Hey, how are you? I'm good. Oh, okay. You graduate? No.
It's like fixing.
Yeah, trying to fix deposit. Trying to fix deposit.
Yeah.
And then she said, okay, what time you graduate? Oh, next year. Okay. Do you have any? Where did you put your room? I don't know. I'm still inside the main room. Oh, I know. Asking build that house. There are only three rooms. Your mom and dad there. The first room, the big one, and the rest of the siblings there, and maybe you, the room on the corner.
I know that room.
Yeah, because myself I do the tiles there, tiling. And after that, 10 o'clock like that, Va went and sleep. And then I'll come. Don't worry. You just when I call you, you wake up. Okay, I said, why too happy? Because like it's the first time for someone to talk to her. To fix deposit. No one. Okay. Tonight is the night. Even that's the first night, when they when went at 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. The dead went to sleep.
Was
dead.
But there is a live when over.
Yes, long ride. 12 o'clock. Stone went outside. In that room,
Stone full drunk.
And Stone went there and Stone started calling. Wow. And this room, and this room, the father
was
dead, sleeping there. And he was calling. Wow. No, softly.
Stone.
Hey, someone calling the dead. This is the first night, and someone is calling And then the dead woke up. Hey, who's this? And he said, who's this? Lima. Hey, who's this?
Va, kira-kira, Roman.
Va, kira-kira. Who's this calling va? 5 ono. Iya, batu ya? Batu na nandan rakin bulan na derbo the tin koro.
Ni pinto moni.
Iya,
Sa mga kasi kasar mosto ni.
Right.
Dala ka talo na bakasam.
Iyo.
Tolo sarana bakasam mosto.
Iyo. Va, 5 ono, 8 8 awango. Daba ke na daba chungo na tuki tambol.
Ba tahu mga kaya bakasam na uy ko. Ha? Mo sa tombo tu ba? Mo sa tom. Mo sa tom.
Ono sino ni tombo. Sino ni. Ana wili ala na sa bulu. Ana mana ka bebila isenia kini ti makola kalonga tu chukara mungkin tokani and matakan di bakal ambil singa ni koronga ba maro takan program na Palagi Show dalam likes dalam musyah saya takan page son page kalau mana mersara betalanga
Asa kira-kira sing to all of us listening this morning.
Right.
Kira-kira ni sa kadibi nga ba?
Iyo.
Don't be too difficult.
Iyo.
Mo sa ana sarang amay, dalam na katu balew. Yung tala sa tomane kya, 5 or
Nangito ferry. Nama Sarah Zeera Bites, quality product of Punjas Biscuits, and the Voko Nibito Konitiko, and Ouch Palagi Show. Nama kita tale, and mataka ni mataka yung mika galo bola.
kuru mundugo.